Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to connect an NFC card. Near-field communication, or NFC, is a fantastic technology that enables seamless, short-range wireless communication. It's incredibly convenient for many daily tasks. We'll explore how NFC works by simply bringing two compatible devices or an NFC card and a device close together. This guide will help you understand its benefits, from quick data sharing to secure transactions, making your interactions much smoother and more efficient. Before you can connect your NFC card, you'll need to ensure NFC is active on your device. First, confirm that your smartphone or tablet actually supports near-field communication. Most modern devices do. Next, go into your device's settings menu, usually under Connected Devices or Wireless and Networks, and simply toggle the NFC option to On. Remember to keep your device unlocked and its screen active for a successful connection. Once NFC is enabled, connecting your card is straightforward. You'll need to find the NFC sweet spot on your device, which is often near the top or back. Gently hold your NFC card within 1 to 2 centimeters of this area. Keep it steady for a couple of seconds. Your device should then provide a confirmation, perhaps a sound or a slight vibration, letting you know the card has been successfully read and the connection established. NFC cards offer numerous practical applications. You can use them for incredibly swift and secure contactless payments at millions of terminals worldwide, often completing transactions in less than 1 second. They are also excellent for quickly sharing information, like your contact details or a website link, with another NFC-enabled device. If you encounter issues, double-check your NFC settings and consider removing any thick phone cases that might obstruct the signal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.